Ladies and gentlemen, ensure your phones are switched off and take your seats for the Punctuation Show.
Punctuation Show. Hello and welcome to the Punctuation Show. My name is Barry and today we're going to be talking about
semicolons.
Okay, so what's wrong with the following sentence? English was his favourite subject, comma. He was very good at it. Well, this is an example of what we refer to as comma splicing. The comma should be replaced with a semicolon. Both parts of the sentence are main clauses and therefore make sense, so we could use a full stop. But because the sentences are closely related, we should at least consider using a semicolon instead. If we make that choice, we've no need of a capital letter for the second main clause. A semicolon, as we know, is used to join two main clauses that are closely connected. For example, I really enjoy playing football. It's the best game in the world. Both sides of the semicolon could be short sentences. Semicolons can be used to replace conjunctions if it's appropriate and if the writer chooses. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your turn.
Which sentence is comma splicing and needs a semicolon to replace the comma? Looking out through the window, I could see the children playing. I like tennis, but not squash. Or, Helen is 7 years old. She's very tall for her age.
Your time starts now! That's right! Both sides of the semicolon are main clauses and therefore make sense on their own.
Remember.
We can also use semicolons in lists where commas are already in use. For example, the teams playing came from Harrogate, North Yorkshire, Hastings, East Sussex, and Ipswich, East Anglia.
Grammar Aquarium!
Now then, Ray, I think you'll like this one. Why did the main clauses go to a marriage guidance counsellor? I really don't know. Because the semicolon kept coming between them. Don't give up the day job, Fiddly. You push your luck sometimes, Ray.
Grammar Aquarium!
Semicolon song, semicolon song, semicolon song, semicolon song, semicolon song, semicolon song. They can join two main clauses and indicate longer pauses. Use them for writing lists too, when a comma's already being used. The semicolon song, the semicolon song, semicolon song, the semicolon song, the semicolon song, semicolon song. Writing longer sentences means you have to do the bit. Both sides of the semicolon should make sense all on their own. The semicolon song, the semicolon song, semicolon song, the semicolon song, the semicolon song, semicolon song. If it could be a sentence either side with a comma in the middle, it's a comma splice. Comma splicing is always wrong. That's why we sing the semicolon song. Semicolon song, the semicolon song, semicolon song, the semicolon song, the semicolon song, semicolon song. Semicolon song, the semicolon song, semicolon song, the semicolon song, the semicolon song, semicolon song.
Good evening, and here is the news with Terence Pants. Today, we bring you an update on the vicious gang of semicolons who have been terrorising the area by placing longer pauses in sentences. The semicolons have been barging in between pairs of main clauses. We spoke to two main clauses who had been the victims of the semicolon gang.
Well, we were out minding our own business, and this semicolon barged right into us, just because they thought we were closely connected. We never have any bother with commas because they can't split up full sentences, it's just wrong.
The semicolons have also been spotted separating items in lists when the items are longer phrases, and they have also been seen preceding words like however, for example, and for instance. The police are advising the public to take care. More news later.
And we'll see you next time.
Punctuation Show.